Let's begin with your assessment of the spread betting business coming out of the downturn.
The industry has not really changed. If anything, it's got better for a number of companies. Speaking from Tradefair itself, we have a number of clients, and our client numbers have stayed strong. The increased volatility in the markets has helped, if anything. The market's moving every day and it's providing more opportunities for our clients to trade, which can be a good thing.
So what do you think's been behind the explosion of interest in spread betting?
The number one factor has to be technology, or more relevantly, broadband. Broadband is readily available now. 10 years ago, the internet was just starting off, so it gives clients the chance, to access them where they couldn't before. And also platforms and the industry's changed as a whole. It used to be just for traders, it was quite complex and there wasn't much literature out there on it. Nowadays, people are making platforms easier to understand. There's software programs that can help you, and a lot of spread betting companies are putting money into educating the clients. So for someone who may have never been interested in trading before, they can learn now, and they can take their finances into their own hands.
What would be a typical customer for you at Tradefair?
A typical customer for Tradefair would be a middle-aged person moving towards retirement. They'd be looking to take control of their own finances. We have people from sort of early 20s trading to women in the 60s and 70s. The common factor between everyone is they wanted to take control of their own finances, and this is probably something to do with obviously the recent economic climate, and people are losing trust in banks, so they can do it themselves. Why trust someone else when they can do it themselves?
Why might people choose spread betting as a form of investment?
People want to take control of their finances more these days. I think there's a real backlash from the financial crisis that happened. Or a good example of this would be that people were investing in a fund which just tracked the indices of the FTSE, and they paid a management fee for that when they could have just done it by themselves in something as simple as a spread bet. So I think people have more confidence and are willing to give it a go.
So how do you maintain an edge over your competitors?
First and foremost, I like to put our customers first. We put a real emphasis on customer service. I believe this is very important. The market's highly competitive. It's getting to a point where the UK market's reaching saturation, and we really find that this is a strong way we can distinguish ourselves from the others. We have a very easy and simple to use platform. I'm constantly looking for new ways to interest the clients and give them something different that maybe the other companies don't have.
Looking ahead, what's the outlook for spread betting?
I think the spread bet market's going to continue to be very competitive. As far as sort of market life cycles go, I think we've kind of hit a saturation point. I think it's going to get tougher. Companies that are willing to innovate and push the boundaries and give things to their clients or additional tools will do very well and continue to grow the market. And I probably see some consolidation of the smaller companies. At the moment, there's as many as 50 spread betting companies around, and there's only so many customers to go around, so there will be some consolidation. And I think we'll see that more so in the coming years.